Hey, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2006 Mercedes Motorhome with a 2.7 liter diesel. This is the same van as the Dodge Sprinter. We're going to be replacing the glow plugs. It's a 5-cylinder, so there's 5 glow plugs. It should take roughly 20 to 30 minutes to replace all of them. So follow along, let's get started. Because of where the glow plugs are situated, it's going to be hard to film the minute details. The glow plugs sit right alongside here. Here's the fuel rail. This is the engine top cover. Right in between, you have your glow plugs. Right here is a connector to one of the glow plugs. See if I can swing you in. Right there is the top of a glow plug. You have the other glow plug right there with the cap on it, or the connector on it, and then all the rest of the glow plugs are down the line. There's a total of 5. To get the glow plug connectors off, having a pair of pliers like this is really handy. I'll have a link in the description below. And all you're trying to do, there's nothing to pinch. You're just trying to get your pair of pliers around this to pull up. But there's no little pinch piece or anything that you have to do in that way. It's just grabbing around it, pulling up. So I already did cylinder number 1. I'm gonna jump over here to one of these cylinders in the back because I think that I have the better view with my camera. So I'm gonna set the camera up on the tripod and then do one of those in the back. So I'm actually gonna be doing cylinder number 2. Hopefully you can see in there enough. So I'm just gonna take my pliers, put it over the top of the connector, pull up, maybe a little wiggle is needed. That's it, so they come out. Before removing the glow plug, we wanna blow it out with some air. So watch your face, give it a good blow. Just to get all that buildup out. 10 millimeter with a deep socket and a long extension. I think this is a 6-inch extension. Just fit it right in there over the top and we'll break it loose. Now sometimes these can seize in, so depending on how it feels, we'll break it. There we go. If it's super hard and wants to stick, then what you can do is spray a penetrant in there, let it sit for a little bit, and then tighten it back up, and then just tighten it back up, just that little whatever it came out, and then back it back out, tighten, back out, tighten, back out. And that gets that penetrant in on the threads. This actually came out pretty easy. I'll just finish it off with my electric ratchet. All right, just straight out. Having a magnet may help. Actually, let me get my magnet. All right, got my magnet. You can probably also use your pliers to get them out. There we go. That is the glow plug. Kind of simple little things. All right, so we'll get our new one. The part number is right there. These are Bosch. Now the manual doesn't say anything about putting anti-seize on your thread, so I'll leave that up to you. The torque spec is 115 inch-pounds, so not very tight. I'll just take it in and drop it in the hole, hand thread it in, and we'll torque it. 115. Then we'll put our connector back on. And these connectors are kind of hard to get back on depending on how fat your fingers are. But you just get it in there and push straight down. There, you'll feel a little snap. That's it. So I'll go ahead and do the others and this job's complete. The third one in is giving me a little trouble. It's hard to see because of this black piece. This wire loom is kind of all in the way. A little challenging. right, that's all of them. Job is complete. All right, that's how you can replace glow plugs on a Mercedes 2.7 liter. They're in these motorhomes. They're also in the Dodge Sprinter. So the procedure is exactly the same no matter which vehicle you have. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.